Hi guys, in today's video, I'll discuss the differences between Huel and Orgain. Watch till the end to know the final verdict on which is better. But first, let's start with the differences. The main difference between them is the price. Huel products are relatively expensive, ranging. Make sure to check out YouTube's recommended products on the screen or down in the description, as they are related to this video and may provide you with extra help with what's been discussed so far. They are usually quite cheap and are unique to this video, so it might be worth checking out. Anyway, back to the tutorial. From $45 to $85 with a 10% discount available for subscription plans. On the other hand, Orgain products are more affordable, ranging from $18.99 to $966.99, a 35% discount on the first subscription order and 10% on subsequent ones, along with free shipping. In terms of product variety, Huel offers a wider range of nutritious products, including nutritional powders, flavored ready-to-drink meals, protein bars, and hot and savory instant meals. Orgain, on the other hand, primarily offers powders as meal replacement options, including protein, vegan protein, grass-fed whey protein, and collagen powders. Regarding nutritional content, Huel products combine balanced ratios of essential vitamins, minerals, protein, phytonutrients, fiber, salt, and sugar, with calorie and carbohydrate content per serving ranging from 110 to 410 and 5 to 63 grams, respectively. Orgain products contain amino acids, plant-based protein, probiotics, digestive enzymes, adaptogens, and more than 80 superfoods, with calorie and carbohydrate content per serving ranging from 20 to 250 and 3 to 30 grams, respectively. But do they have any similarities? Absolutely. They both offer free shipping for larger purchases and don't process orders during holidays. Additionally, they cater to various dietary preferences like vegan, keto, vegetarian, and gluten-free diets. So, which is better, Huel or Orgain? While I appreciate Huel's multiple meal replacement options, I choose Orgain as the better option because of its affordability and higher nutritional value. Feel free to check out the products from the links in our description. Thanks for watching.